Hello everyone, welcome again to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how you can connect the Bruin Cloud MCP to your local Claude Code. So this will basically allow you to make API requests to Bruin Cloud and get information about your pipelines, about your assets, about the runs, and even be able to trigger actions as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the documentation here. So the first step we want to do is go to our team settings and create a new token. So let's go over to team settings, navigate to team members, and scroll down to create API token. So in here, let's just give it a name and choose the permissions we want. Just for this demo, I'm just going to select everything, and let's go ahead and create that. You will get a new token, and you just want to keep that for now. And let's go to the next section. So my installation will be for Claude Code, but for the other types of agents, you can take a look at our documentation. So there's this command here for adding the MCP. So let's go ahead and copy that and go over to our terminal. And let's add it over here. And now we have to paste our token here. So let me just add that. All right, so I went ahead and I ran that command, and basically the file has been modified and the token has been added there. The MCP has been configured as well. So now let's go ahead and spin up Claude to see how we can actually use this. So I'm already inside a Bruin project, and it will see the pipelines in there and will understand the context. So let's go ahead and ask it to use Bruin Cloud MCP and answer me which pipelines are enabled. So now it's going to make an API call and get the information from Bruin Cloud, and it will list the different pipelines that we have enabled. All right, so we have one pipeline, 7 assets. So let's go ahead and see if we can ask it to trigger something. So create a full refresh of the prices daily assets. Now, it might ask for additional confirmation, or it might request to actually access additional permissions, depending on if your token has the permissions or not. So we can see that it's saying 2 prices daily assets. Let's do stock market prices. This is also good because I gave it a name and there were 2 assets with a similar name but different data set. So it was actually confirming that. So it's asking me for additional confirmation before going ahead. And we can see that it created the run, and now it also gave us the link for us to go check it in Bruin Cloud. So we can actually maybe copy this link and go over and take a look, so we can see that it has created a huge actually backfill, because we didn't really tell it what to do. It created essentially a backfill job, and it has created 75 total runs. So this is why also it's a good example of why you should be careful how you actually prompt it when you're asking it to trigger things. So in this example, it just understood that we're doing a backfill job, a full refresh, and that's why it should split up the job into smaller backfills, which seems like it split it up into monthly level jobs. So this is a great way to actually connect to Bruin Cloud and be able to ask it about your processes that are going on, the different pipelines that you have, and the different runs, as well as actually asking it to trigger things as well. However, you should be very careful how you trigger it. All right, thank you. I hope you learned something new, and see you next time. Thank you.